Okay, wonderful humans, let's go through this test question. You'll see on the left side of my screen, your screen, sorry. And on the right side is where I'll be working it out as if I were a student taking the test. So the question reads, for his New Year's resolution, Mr. Brawnson decided to lose some weight. At the start of the year, he weighed 250 pounds, but now he only weighs 232.5 pounds. What is the percent decrease in weight since the beginning of the year? So I'm going to UPS check this. U stands for what you understand about the problem. What is it asking you to solve for? Well, I am looking for the percent decrease in weight. Now already I'm thinking I'm going to go to my percent change notes in my journal, because if it's a decrease in weight, that's a change, and I see the word percent. And I even drew the symbol percent. So my plan is to find that formula that tells me difference divided by original. And of course, on the other side of my proportion, it'll be percent out of 100. But really, you just got to do the difference divided by the original. So the difference in weight, I'm going to pull that out, that he weighed 250, and then his end weight was 232.5. And then his original weight was 250, because that's what he started at the beginning of 2020. Or, sorry, for his New Year's resolution, beginning of 2019, I guess. So let's find the difference. I'm going to slide this over, and I'm going to set this up vertically, making sure to align my decimals. Do you see how I had to add or put a decimal and a 0 on the 250? Because I need to borrow since I am subtracting. All right, 10 minus 5 is 5. Align my decimal. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have 17.5 on the top. And I'm going to divide that by the original. So 17.5 divided by original. I guess I kind of skipped a step. Sorry, UPS check. I'm on the S part. I'm solving now. That started here with the subtraction. So 17.5 divided by 250. That means 17.5 goes inside the box. 250 goes outside. 17.5. Let's put the decimal in the quotient. I'm going to put a few zeros there. So I know 250 cannot go into 17 at all, and it actually can't even go into 175. I'm going to think quarters here, like 250, 25 can't go into 17, you know? So I'm thinking how many quarters are in 175? Well, there's 4 quarters in 1 and 3 quarters in 75, so that would be 7. So I know 250 can go into 1,750 7 times. And I'm going to prove it over here. 250 times 7, just to double check. 0 times 7 is 0, 5 times 7 is 35, carry the 3, 2 times 7 is 14, plus 3 is 17. There it is, 1,750. So when I divide 17.5 divided by 250, that does give me a decimal that I would then have to turn into a percent, but you just got to move the decimal to the right twice. So it comes out to 7%.